next generation spaces, our secure co-working and remote office spaces. You come in, badge in, getting into the new office or your working office, and select where you want to work, find your space, conference room or your office, and get a device, the office manager, to control the network and access to the office as well as access to the network. This device is created by EGLA Corp and provides Wi-Fi 6 and 5G or 4G connectivity or VPN access to the remote workforce. The Access Control Manager uses biometrics and artificial intelligence to provide access and physical requirements for who is the one that is coming into the office. We're currently testing that at the EGLAVATOR, a co-working space in Boca Raton, Florida. So the three components for the systems are your manager, office manager, and your badge. EGLA is innovating for you with artificial intelligence.